Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a case study based question from Arithmetic Progressions chapter. Now this question has 3 sub-questions. The first and second sub-question are for 1 mark and the third sub-question is of 2 marks and it has an OR question as well. That is, either you can attempt the A question or the B one. So let us start with the first sub-question now. A school is organizing a charity run to raise funds for a local hospital. The run is planned as a series of rounds around a track with each round being 300 meters. To make the event even more challenging and engaging, the organizers decide to increase the distance of each subsequent round by 50 meters. For example, the second round will be 350 meters, the third round will be 400 meters, and so on. The total number of rounds planned is 10. Based on the information given above, answer the following questions. The first sub-question is, write the 4th, 5th and 6th term of the arithmetic progression so formed. So let us try to understand the question first. Now a school is organizing a charity run to raise some funds for local hospital. So they decided that the runners who are participating in this challenge have to go around a track which is 300 meters. Now to increase the challenge level, the organizers increase the distance by 50 after each round. Means when this person, for example, is going around the track for the first time, he is going to cover a distance of 300 meters. For the second round, he has to go 50 meters more. That is 350 meters and it goes on. So for each round, 50 meters has been increased. So here we need to find out what is the 4th, 5th and 6th term of the arithmetic progression so formed. So let us start generating the sequence now. So the first distance covered is 300 meters and then eventually it is going to increase by 50 meters. So it starts as 300 meters, then 350, 400, 450, 500 and 550 and it goes on. So here this is the first term of the sequence, this is the second term, this is third term, this is the fourth term of the sequence. So here we have written the fourth term, which is represented as A4 is equal to 450. Now the fifth term asked is 500, that is A5, and the sixth term is A6, which is 550 in this case. So this is our answer. Let us move on to the next sub question. Determine the distance of the 8th round. So here we have to find out the distance at the 8th round. So here there are 2 ways to find out the answer. One is just by extending the sequence. So let me just show it over here. That is, this was the arithmetic progression or sequence we generated. So this was the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So you can just keep on extending it till the 8th term. So that will give you the distance of the 8th round. But this method becomes a little bit difficult if they had asked you 20th round or 21st round or something like that, because you cannot extend the sequence for so long. So at that point you should know the second method as well, where you use the nth term of an AP formula, which is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d, where an will give you the distance of any round they ask you. For example, here they have asked you 8th round, so n will be equal to 8 here. A represents the first term of the sequence. In this case it is going to be 300. N is equal to 8 and d represents common difference, that is difference between the terms. Here it is going to be 350 minus 300, which gives you 50. 400 minus 350 gives you 50. 450 minus 400 gives you 50. So basically the differences are same between the terms. So we call it as a common difference. So in this case it is going to be equal to 50. So to find out the distance of the 8th round, let us plug in all these values in this formula. So A8 is equal to 300 plus 8 minus 1 times the common difference is 50. Now simplifying this, we get 300 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 times 50. Now further simplifying this, we get 300 plus 7 times 50 is 350. So 300 plus 350 gives us the value of the distance of the 8th round as 650 meters. So the first method is just extending the sequence if the number asked is small, or the second method is to use the formula and get the answer. Now let us move on to the third sub question. Find the total distance run after completing all 10 rounds. So basically here we have to find out the total distance which has been covered after completing all 10 rounds. So wherever you see the keyword total in the question for arithmetic progression, it means you have to make use of sum of n terms of an AP formula, which is Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, where n represents the number of rounds. In this case they have mentioned 10 rounds, so n is going to be 10. A is the first term of the sequence, so 300 is the first term of the sequence. D is the common difference, which we had got it as 50. So basically we have to plug in all these values in this formula. So Sn becomes S10 is equal to 10 over 2 times 2 multiplies with 300 plus 10 minus 1 times the common difference is 50. Now 10 and 2 go in the table of 2. That is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 5 times is 10. So simplifying this we get 5 times 2 times 300 is 600 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 times 50. So 5 times 600 plus 9 times 50 is 450. So in the next step we have added 600 and 450, giving us 5 times 1050. Now the product of these two numbers gives us 5250 meters. So this is the total distance covered by the runners after 10 rounds. Now let us move on to the OR question. If a runner completes only the first 6 rounds, what is the total distance run by the runner? Now again here they have asked us the total distance, that is the total. So we have to make use of sum of n terms of an AP formula. But instead of 10 rounds, now you have to replace n by 6. So if you want, you can pause the video over here and give it a try. So let us begin by writing the sequence first. So here the sequence was 300, 350, 400 and so on. And sum of n terms of an AP formula is Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Now here n is going to be 6 because I have asked for first 6 rounds. So here we have written n is equal to 6. The first term of the sequence is going to be 300. So a is equal to 300. D is the common difference, which is equal to 50. Now we are going to plug in all these values in this formula. So we get S6 is equal to 6 over 2 times 300 plus 6 minus 1 times 50. Now here 6 and 2 go in the table of 2. That is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 3 times is 6. So let us simplify this. So S6 is equal to 3 times 2 times 300 gives us 600 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 times 50. Now in the next step we have simplified it a bit further. So 3 times 600 plus 5 times 50 gives us 250. Now 600 plus 250 gives us 850. So 3 times 850 gives us the distance covered for the first 6 rounds as 2550 meters. So this is going to be our answer. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out these playlists where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.